everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable typing indicator on Messenger. If you want to see when someone is typing on Messenger, that feature is called the typing indicator. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on step by step. Now open Messenger and tap on any conversation. Then tap the person's name at the top to open chat settings. Scroll down to privacy and support. Then tap typing indicator just below disappearing messages. As you can see here, this is where you can control the feature. So toggle on show typing indicator. As you can see on my side, it's already turned on. So once it's blue, that means it's turned on. If it turns gray, that means it's turned off. So toggle it on. Now, if it's already on, like what you can see in the video, then your typing indicator is already enabled. Now, even if your setting is on, typing indicators may not appear if the other person turned theirs off, they're using an older version of Messenger, internet connection is low or unstable, or you're in an end-to-end encrypted chat, which can sometimes delay indicators. So if it's not working, you can update your Messenger from App Store or Google Play Store, restart the app, or check your internet connection. And that's it. You just turn on the typing indicator and you'll know exactly when someone is replying to you on Messenger. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.